Jessica. Thank you for joining Van Life Living Arizona. Today is Sunday and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my way to my son's house to get help with my solar panel. Cross fingers that we get both of them up, that I did not screw up on anything. But I will do my best today to videotape everything that I can. Like I said, do my best because, you know, I'm still a newbie at recording and remembering and all that good stuff. But, so, today is Sunday. Today is a beautiful day. It's early in the morning. I'm on my way to my son's house, like I said, for him to help me. Wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. Like, today is gonna be a good day, guys. So, I wish everybody a good Sunday, wherever you're at. You're in Phoenix, Arizona, or some other country or another state. Just remember, you have one life to live, so go out and live it. See you later, guys. I will come back to let you know what happened. Bye. Until then, live your life. Is that? What's that? Okay. You're fine. Exactly. But a plumber with very life skills and other handy skills.
Yeah, I like my title that you gave me earlier. Or like before.
I never said that. No. I said useful. Not less. Clogged. will.